We are facing a crisis. 70% of researchers cannot reproduce another scientist's experiments. The knowledge is locked in static PDFs, while the code is often missing, broken, or undocumented. It is the single biggest bottleneck in modern science. To fix this, I went into Google AI Studio. Using the new Build feature, I vibe-coded a solution in real time. I asked for an autonomous workflow engineer that could bridge the gap between abstract paper and executable pipeline. This is Reproduce.AI. Powered by Gemini 3 Pro's native multimodality, the system first digests complex papers, charts, formulas, and all in seconds. But it doesn't just read, it reasons. I deployed a multi-agent swarm, an architect to design, a critic to find flaws, and a judge to finalize the logic. They debate the methodology in real time to ensure mathematical accuracy. Once the logic is sound, Reproduce.AI generates a fully executable Python pipeline. It builds the dependency graph, writes the code, and even creates the virtual environment setup scripts. I just download the kit, run one command, and watch the results appear. Zero configuration, zero dependency hell. From static PDF to working science, in minutes. Built with Gemini 3 Pro. This is Reproduce.AI. Science solved.